Welcome to Mithran Silks. Today's our collection is Nehamun cotton saree. All saree has pretty thread woven pallu and contrast plain blouse. Today I am showing you 3 different patterns and different colors. Let's see one by one. This is the first one, orange red. This is the saree. How it looks. This is thread embossed floral design. And this is the beautiful pallu and with thread woven border with floral design and plain running blouse. And this is the second one, copper blue. This how it's see how it looks. There's a thread woven floral design, and this is the pallu with mango buttas, and this is the elephant and peacock border, and it has running blouse. The cost of the saree is 1100. And this one is honey with mustard yellow. So this is a beautiful saree. Double shade, thread woven, floral design. This is the pallu. It's very pretty. And this is the border, thread woven border, floral design, and it has running blouse. The cost of the saree is 1100. See, this one very beautiful saree. This is the saree, thread embossed floral design. There's a beautiful color, ivory color. This is the pallu, pink thread pallu, and this is a flower design in border, and it has a ivory color running blouse. The cost of the saree is 1100. And this one is very beautiful saree. See the saree. This peacock motifs all over the saree. See how it looks. And this is the pallu. In pallu, all over peacock design, and it has zari border, golden zari border and thread border. It's very nice color, and it has plain blouse. This is the blouse, and cost of the saree is 1700. And this one is different one, peacock color. See the saree. It has 1000 puttas in body. See how it looks. It's very pretty. See, thread woven puttas all over the saree. It's very beautiful one. And this is the pallu. In pallu, elephant and peacock with Rudraja motifs. Beautiful one. And it has red color thread border. And it has plain blouse. Contrast plain blouse. The cost of the saree is 3700 only. The same design this black color one. It has 1000 buttas in all over the saree. So, looking very pretty and beautiful. And this is the pallu, beautiful pallu. It looks like a silk saree, very nice thread woven, peacocks and rudraja. And red color thread border. Yes, plain blouse. Saree of the cost is 3700. This one is different pattern. See, this is a grey color with black color combo and mango buttas all over the saree. And this is the pallu. It's beautiful pallu with a thread woven floral design. This is the saree, and it has contrast plain blouse in black, and it has golden zari border. It's very pretty. And cost of the saree is 3700. And this is the second one, orange color with triangle motifs. See, this is the saree, and it is a golden zari border and cream color pallu. See the pallu, floral design, and it has contrast plain blouse with golden zari border. This one is pink color, mango buttas all over the saree. This is the saree. This is the beautiful pallu with black color, and it has golden zari border. Plain blouse in black color. Cost of the saree is 3700. And this one is beautiful one, ivory color with green color mango buttas and golden green color zari border. And this is the pallu, beautiful pallu with red rudraja and red floral design. It's very nice. It looks, see how it looks. And this is the plain blouse with golden zari border. Cost of the saree is 3700. This one is maroon with black color and mango buttas all over the saree. See how it looks. So pretty pallu, very beautiful pallu. And this is plain blouse. See the blouse. Priced at 3700. All are beautiful saree for the summer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.